Amara, why are you always smiling at your phone? Who's making you blush like that?
His name is Daniel. He says I'm special.
How old is he? 36.
Girl, you're 16!
Age doesn't matter when it's real love, right?
You're not like other girls, Amara. You're special.
You really think so?
I know so.
I feel safe when I'm with you.
Daniel, I think I'm pregnant. Please say something.
This can't happen. You have to get rid of it.
But it's our baby.
You're still a child. I'm not ready. Are you sure about this?
I don't have a choice.
Try to stay calm.
I'm scared.
I know. We'll get through this together.
God, I feel so weak.
Amara, there were complications.
What do you mean?
We had to remove your womb to save your life.
So, I can't have children?
I'm so sorry.
Daniel, please pick up. You said you will be here. Please don't leave me, Jen. I thought love meant staying even when it hurts. But I was wrong. Love doesn't leave you when things get hard. Don't rush love. Wait for the right one.